Snoqualmie Falls and the Salish Lodge. Two iconic figures here in the great Pacific Northwest. Hi, I'm Michael Schuett, owner of Total Broadcasting Service. And I came here to this place at this time, Christmas time, because I felt it was an appropriate backdrop for me to be able to extend my thanks to you, our fans, on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Twitter, and to our many customers, our growing customers. We're wrapping up 2011 as one of our best years ever out of our 7 years of operation, and we look at 2012 already as our best year to come. And why not? Video production is exploding. It is the marketing method that people need to use to get themselves introduced to customers, new customers, old customers, and Total Broadcasting Service is a service that offers it affordably and keeps the quality high. But this isn't the time for that. It's Christmas time. And with all my heart, I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.